your secondary's higher in the pan than the primary. So it's supposed to drip out of this, but if this ever clogs up, the water's going to rise and then go out into the secondary. And then that looks like that's...
What
Yeah.
about the third pipe? Is it not
So this is a P-trap,
okay?
right? So on P-traps, you got to have 2 risers on it, right?
Yeah.
But you got to put, because this just holds water,
Okay.
right?
Uh-huh.
And the reason that we put P-traps, every company, is because it relieves smell.
Okay.
So if we don't have a P-trap, because you can't really smell through water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, right, especially now that you can't run it outside, it's going straight to, there's a bathroom here, I imagine. Is there a bathroom right
Yes.
below us?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to your sink. So, sometimes if you don't have a P-trap, you'll hear like this little gurgle sound, because you're hearing what's in the pan. So we got to put these P-traps in, but you got to have 2 risers. But you need to pour it into this one because that goes to the P-trap, because this is what's going to clog more, like over time. This is what's going to clog more than, I mean, this is an extremely short run.
Yeah.
So
I have been putting in that one.
This one?
No, that one.
this one,
Yes.
and that's okay. It's just, I mean, but it's only flushing this out,
Yeah.
right? This is where, because it's just holding water, and then sometimes that slime that this will produce over
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
It usually takes about 3 to 4 years for it to actually really start producing. It's just gunky. It's actually kind of gross, but the water itself is great. I've actually done a job where the homeowner wanted me to run this pipe into a barrel